No matter how hard I try, my dishes just keep coming out dirty, and I have to wash them by hand.
The problem isn't with your dishwasher. It's with your soap.
Well, I was thinking of getting a new dishwasher. I was looking at it. No, man, you don't need a new dishwasher. It seems that they got some nice dishwashers. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Those are guitars.
Are you even listening? You're saying that I don't need a new dishwasher? I just need new plates.
Yeah.
No new plates. No new plates. You don't need a new dishwasher. You just need soap. And you need to turn on the dishwasher. Okay? And just soap. But soap's so expensive. I think I'll just get a new dishwasher that does everything for you.
Yeah.
All you need is Cascade. This will do everything. This will clean your dishes. With this Cascade, I don't need any more towel and no more plate, right? I just eat like no more. I admit, I do like this idea here. Cleaning by hand is hard, okay? It's hard. A dishwasher. If you put the Cascade in these things, and then you close it with this, and then you do this, and you quick start. That's it. I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher. That doesn't go in the toaster, that goes on the computer. What about this? No, that doesn't go in the toaster, that goes in the recycling. No, that's for the toaster.
Our people over here at Dishwashers, Detergents, and Beyond know you better. So just shut up and listen to them.